Etochokera rono returombere ni ati nyuma ya bunge Senate kono KIONANIA kaira Mwangaza MAITIA elinende ni betikanite no gambi pambunge MERU na KWINGA bono nyuma yawe kwatikana na MAITIA yarayonde yadatwedirete ya KURINGA kwa nayo NGABANA oreo marukete ni kaira Mwangaza NARONEKANIRE GWITETEERA ni ya Senate na kinyakuwa de nayo yongwa ni Senate akadhuri murungi na MCA Vans Mawira akioneka guritawerone siri chionde chenyumba Boniface Mongera no tutariria chukuma Nairobi.
Kari bare idatu dhasta chotu kurandake 13 kumana maiti yatu ya gavana kara Mwangaza rari kirine MCs babunge county MERU ijo jaratumire bunge Senate emwania.
The Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment Honorable KAWIRA Mwangaza, the governor of Meru County, and the governor accordingly ceases to hold office.
Baba inge basi nitazbarotero azimio bakwedro beshodhereria bathoma na nyabonka meruke barotero Kenya kwanza babanganitie pararere kuringa kura shironjere metambo onto barabara tumira kwa jukia kanyaga kainge ngoroke githimi hauka nyumene na kumbere kureringwa getuma nambwe nyingine dhiro ekeringwa sinitazbombere jo mwekoro barabara bo kinyiro inteto ndosha Mwangaza tayari chidhire nchenga.
Senator, can I speak to the sergeant at arms? Can I talk to the sergeant at arms? Sergeant at arms. Sergeant at arms.
Kinya Bishop Faith kara Mwangaza wengwa na rere kwedro agiokire nya kwedro agiteterera muthia ako gwata kugurerwa nteto ciawe icienerie mbeo.
Proceed, Governor for Meru. If you have anything to say, this is the time to address the Senate. And Governor for Meru, if you don't have anything to say, it's okay.
Kagite na gukojera nako Bishop Faith kara Mwangaza na rashidire Antonia cheke ainyanitwe abarabarwa aingana ni nyankoroki kwa kinyira Antonia mwe aromborekeri.
What are your sentiments towards the family of the late sniper? Because it has been argued that you have not made any utterances or directed your feelings towards the family. What would you say? And have you even done that previously?
I did it previously, and I also repeat them. I'm sorry about the family.
Oho, Bishop Faith kara Mwangaza naratigara ligalitia ntobaba inge nuramba kodra gikana nteto imwe na inyainge akaungania norongo kenda gwikora.
Kindly, Madam Governor, would you kindly read out?
That's a new block which is not even furnished.
Can you see where it is written Kibuchwa Maternity Ward?
It was written 2 months ago. Yes, I can see.
It's okay.
Yes.
When was this? Who opened this facility?
It has not been opened yet because it has no furniture.
Is this facility functional?
It is functional as a dispensary.
And you're distancing yourself from that person called Supu, correct?
Yes.
And that he has never worked in your office, correct?
He has never worked in
Do you
my
still
office.
hold that preposition even this evening?
He has never worked in my office.
What evidence have you placed before this Honorable House to prove or to show that indeed 86 million Kenya shillings was raised?
There is a video clip.
No, evidence of money, not a video clip. Evidence of money.
Evidence of money in the video clip.
Thank you.
Kanyoni mtweto nwe orora kwena monyinkono jo nene kumakirigaro nene mbere kure iringwa na ratumbulere atwira cha Mwangaza ja kinyirite mothia na nekyo senators wote borotero Kenya kwanza tibaro morotero gyo marakwet bwana Kisang roedere mushora Bishop Faith kara Mwangaza araringira kure kurungama nawe.
I sat with every leader who is in Meru. The only person who would not avail himself for a sitting to see that Meru moves forward is the Honorable Senator of this House. The rest, we've talked, we've sat, and we have no issues at all.
Reporter Antosharo TV kumaja kengina ngine kineki musho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.